If you don't want to know how to make more money through your website this year, then skip this video now, because that's what we're talking about, how to really make some serious revenue this year through your business with one little New Year's resolution for your website. My name's Fiona from Fat Promotions, where we create websites and online systems to take your business or charity to the next level. And today I'm talking about item number 4 on my series of New Year's resolutions for your website. This is such an easy one, and when you hear it, you're going to go, oh my gosh, that's so basic. Why didn't I work that out? If you want to make money through your website, whether it's donations or payments or selling products or services, it's as simple as allowing people to pay you online. Over the years, we've dealt with a number of industries, whether they're membership sites, whether they're product sites, whether they're direct e-commerce or selling someone's knowledge or wisdom or experience. And it all comes down to the same thing. If you don't let people pay you online, you're not going to make as much money as you could have if you did. Sounds basic, right? So give you an example, one organisation we dealt with, they had a membership system, really good. It was quite a low cost entry, but they had a massive number of members. But every year, a huge amount of work to send out renewals, send out invoices, do the follow-ups, do the chase up, see who still had access, who didn't have access, were they still on the mailing list, whether they'd paid or not. It was a nightmare. It took them so much time. We put all of that through their website. Really simple, recurring payments through their existing payment provider. We set it all up, coded it all, and that meant that also there was a lot of automation. So when somebody signed up to renew and they just got an email and just said, are you happy to renew? Yes, no. They said yes. They instantly got access to all sorts of lovely, juicy content that was hidden away from the public. And all of that was done through the website. Same as if you're selling products. If you're selling products online, it's all very well to do that, but are you sure that all of that information, that revenue is being logged in your accounting software as well? You don't have to do that manually. So New Year's resolution, if there's some way that you're asking for money currently, even if it's sending out an invoice and hoping for the best, let's have a payment link on your website. Let's have a renewal button on your website. Let's have emails that go out that say, click now to pay, buy, renew, continue your subscription, whatever it is. Put that through your website and take it off your desk. That's what we specialise in here at Fat Promotions. We get the work off your desk and bring the money into your organisation. If you want to have a chat with me about it, I'd love to talk to you. I'm at fatpromotions.co.uk. Speak to you soon.